Pelicad allows you to easily track each edit step you did to receive a final render. To do this, you can simply jump into the edit history on the left, open each edit, and then by selecting the left or right arrow either in the blue box or on your keyboard, you can jump through each edit and each result. You always see the prompt, the image references, and the results. You can also just change certain elements and restart the whole process. You might also want to recreate a new edit from a given result. To do this, navigate to the edit history and click New Edit from here. Now you can just, for instance, change this image into a beautiful night rendering. To have an overview over all your edits, simply click these 4 squares and you end up in the dashboard of all your views and edits. You also see these edits in the upper part of the website and can navigate into them by simply selecting them. This allows you to quickly have an overview over all your views.